So hello guys, today we'll see that how to add Tailwind CSS to our Vite React application. And this is the website of Vite and this is the website of Tailwind CSS. For that we have to click on get started and then we have to go to framework guides and you can choose your own framework irrespective of Vite, and I'm choosing Vite here. And for now we have to create a Vite, and we will create Vite here, and we will add dot because we want to keep all the things in this project, this folder. Choose React JavaScript, and then we have to run these two commands for installing the packages and running the development environment. And then are the steps. You just have to go to your current directory of Vite project and install as dev dependency the packages like Tailwind CSS, Post CSS, and Auto Prefixer. The work of all these three are different, and here this command initialized Tailwind config uh, in our project, so we can just copy here, and this is our project. And with use of Vite, it's so fast to install this and deploy, build, and other things. Development, just paste the commands here and it will download the packages, and it's done so fast. And it's created two files, first for Tailwind config and second for Post CSS config. Now our work is to uh, copy these files, content where we want the Tailwind should be added. For that we have to go to Tailwind config and replace this content with this. And if you have theme plugin, you can ignore this, otherwise copy the whole thing. And in index.css, add this. Go to index.css, let's remove all and add this base component on utility. And now we have to restart the server. Let's copy this and let's npm run there. This is the website. You can see the CSS is disturbed, means Tailwind is installed. And for now we have to go to app.jsx and replace this text 3xl found this that. And let's close this, and Tailwind is installed. You can see the underline here, animate pause, and you will see that this is animating now. And for this intelligence you have to go to extensions and download Tailwind, this extension. And for the RFC, this auto creates an app. Auto creates the basic structure of React, and this is the thing. So let's close this, and thanks for watching the video till last. Thanks.